Hi, my name is Dr. Vincent Yeow and I'm a plastic surgeon here at Dream in Singapore. Well, plastic surgery is unique in the sense that we are not fixed by anatomy, and we're technique based and we operate on any part of the body. We solve problems that patients have and we try and achieve either reconstruction by restoring them to normal or superseding normal as in aesthetic surgery. In short, it is a balance between form and function, where we try and make sure function is normal and form can either be restoration to normal or beyond normal. I always like natural, and I always believe that people should age gracefully. Rather than changing what they are, we believe in restoring what they had and moving the clock back and giving them what they look like maybe 5, 10 or even 20 years before. If the patient requests to change, then we will sit down and discuss with them. First of all, we want to understand what they're like, what their life is like, socially, mentally, how they are, what they want to achieve, why they want to go through this change, and then we will discuss various outcomes, shapes, forms that they want, and then come to a happy balance. Rather than too extreme, we want to create an augmented version of themselves that suits their lifestyle and their job professionally. That's not uncommon. We get many people who come in with a specific picture or many pictures showing a certain nose or a certain look that they want to achieve. And I always tell them, you know, that look is a very common look, because you can find 100 pictures of that on the internet, whether it's Instagram or Facebook or whatever, and that is a look that it's really very common. What we like to do though is to take what they have, which is unique, and then build on that uniqueness to give them that special look that they have. And I describe it this way. It's like buying handbags. Do you want to buy a handbag that everybody has? Or do you want to buy that limited edition one, which is them, which is you?